Picture this. You're loading up your plate at the all-you-can-eat buffet, but lurking beneath that shiny spread are germs, fake ingredients, and hidden hacks the cruise lines don't advertise. Today, we're spilling 8 shocking truths about cruise food that'll make you a smarter eater. Now, on to the main event. We're counting down from 8 to 1, with each secret explained simply, what it is and why it'll shift how you eat. These aren't just rumors, they're based on insider reports, crew insights, and real cruiser experiences. Let's start the countdown. Number 8, the massive food waste scandal. Leftovers don't get a second chance. All right, folks, let's kick things off with something that'll make you think twice about piling your plate sky high. On cruise ships, uneaten buffet food, like those half-eaten salads, untouched rolls, or cooling entrees, often gets tossed out or processed in ways you'd never guess. Strict food safety rules mean most leftovers can't be reused for passengers. Instead, they're either ground up and discharged into the ocean, following environmental regs, fed to the crew in modified forms, or incinerated. Why does this change how you eat? It highlights the insane scale of waste, up to thousands of pounds per day on big ships, which might make you more mindful, taking smaller portions to avoid contributing to it. Plus, knowing this, you'll appreciate grabbing fresh items early and not letting good food go to waste on your own plate. Number 7. Buffets are germ breeding grounds. Hand washing stations? What hand washing stations? Oh boy, this one's a real eye-opener if you're a buffet lover. Cruise ship buffets are notorious hotspots for germs because passengers often skip the hand washing or sanitizing stations right at the entrance. Think kids, adults in a rush, everyone touching the same tongs. Cross-contamination is rampant from shared utensils, sneeze guards that don't always work, and even crew handling food without perfect protocols. Reports show buffets failing sanitation tests more often than you'd think, with bacteria like norovirus lurking. This secret will change how you eat by pushing you to always sanitize first, opt for served items over self-serve when possible, and maybe hit the main dining room more often for a cleaner, sit-down vibe. Trust me, avoiding a stomach bug on vacation is worth it. Number 6. Fake scrambled eggs and questionable sushi. Not as fresh as they look. Here's a shocker for breakfast fans. Those fluffy scrambled eggs at the buffet, they're often made from powdered or liquid egg mixes, not fresh cracked eggs to handle the massive volume, up to 30,000 meals a day on huge ships. And don't get me started on the sushi. It's rarely made with super fresh, high-grade fish due to storage limits at sea, often using pre-rolled, preserved stuff that sits out too long. This isn't about skimping, it's logistics, but it means what looks gourmet might be more processed than a 5-star restaurant. Why does this alter your onboard eating? You'll start seeking out made-to-order stations for real omelets or skipping dubious sushi for safer options like grilled meats. It empowers you to choose quality over quantity for a better, healthier experience. Number 5. Filthy soft serve and ice machines. Cleaner than you think? Nope. Ice cream time. But wait, this secret might ruin your cone. Soft serve machines on cruises are tough to clean thoroughly, leading to buildup of bacteria, mold, or even old residue in the nozzles and tubes. Same goes for ice machines, which can harbor pollutants from improper maintenance or contaminated water lines. Cruise lines do inspections, but insiders say these spots are cesspools more often than passengers realize, contributing to onboard illnesses. This will change how you eat by making you wary of self-serve desserts, opt for hard ice cream from a scoop station or packaged treats instead, and always grab ice from your cabin steward for drinks. It's usually fresher and safer. Number 4. Unlimited main dining room perks. Order multiples, no judgment. Switching gears to something positive but hidden, in the main dining room, there's no limit on what you can order. Want 3 appetizers, 2 entrees, or an extra dessert to go? Just ask. It's all included in your fare. Cruise lines don't advertise this to avoid chaos, but savvy diners know you can mix and match, request half portions, or even off-menu items like a cheese plate if available. This secret transforms your eating by encouraging experimentation without extra cost. Say goodbye to FOMO and hello to customizing your perfect meal. It makes dining feel luxurious and personalized, turning a standard dinner into a feast. Number 3. Hidden free food venues and hacks beyond the buffet. You think the buffet is the only free spot? Think again. Many ships have secret or under-the-radar eateries like pop-up taco bars by the pool, free pastries at coffee shops, or even complimentary room service milk and cookies. Looking at you, Disney. Specialty restaurants often offer free lunch menus, and you can hack burgers with buffet toppings for gourmet twists. Cruise apps and daily newsletters bury these gems, so most passengers miss out. This changes your onboard eating by turning you into a food explorer. Check the app daily, befriend bartenders for free add-ons like fruit in sodas, and snag those lesser-known spots for variety without crowds or extra fees. It's like unlocking bonus levels in your cruise. Number 2. Inaccurate food labels. Allergy risks lurking everywhere. This one's seriously shocking for anyone with dietary needs. Buffet labels aren't always spot on. Ingredients might change last minute, cross-contamination happens, and gluten-free or vegan tags can be misleading due to shared kitchens. Crew might not know every detail, leading to hidden allergens in sauces or sides. Insiders report this as a common issue, with some cruises failing to disclose properly. Why does it shift how you eat? You'll become proactive. Ask servers about ingredients every time, request special menus early, and stick to made-to-order or packaged foods. It could save you from a reaction and make your trip stress-free. Number 1. Discounted or free specialty dining, the first night trip. Drumroll for our top secret. Specialty restaurants aren't always pricey add-ons. Many offer discounted rates on the first night when everyone's at the buffet, or free lunches on sea days. Pre-cruise packages slash costs, and some lines like Holland America have hidden perks like express lunches or vegan options on request. Cruise lines keep this quiet to upsell, but it's a game changer for foodies. This will revolutionize your eating by letting you indulge in steakhouse vibes without breaking the bank. Book early, hunt for deals, and mix premium dining with freebies for the ultimate culinary adventure on board. Whew, that was a wild ride through the underbelly of cruise food. From waste scandals to hidden hacks, these 8 secrets show there's way more to onboard dining than meets the eye. Armed with this knowledge, you'll eat smarter, safer, and maybe even save some cash on your next voyage. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips and secrets, and drop a comment below. What's the craziest thing you've experienced with cruise food? Thanks for watching. Fair winds and full plates.